Plays me on her new computer.
Okay, place me on her new. What should you write here?
Computer.
Okay, computer. Do you know how to write computer, Minan?
Yes.
Okay, write it here. Okay, next one. Let us listen.
There's an old man in me.
Okay, what should be in here, Minan? There's an old.
Man.
Okay, write the word here. Okay, next one.
He's catching lots of small fish.
Okay, what should you write in here, Minan? He's catching lots of small. Okay, let us hear again.
They're swimming in. They're swimming. He's catching lots of small fish.
Okay, he's catching lots of small. What does the man catch? Small. Okay, fish. Can you write the word fish here, Minan?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let us continue.
They're swimming in the sea. Can you see the numbers on their tails?
Okay, what should. Okay, wait.
You see the numbers on their tails?
Okay, what should you write here, Minan?
Number.
Okay, numbers. Do you know how to write word numbers, Minan?
No.
Oh, okay, I will write it for you. Okay, numbers. Write it in number 5. Okay, next one.
Can you see the monkey on the tree too?
Okay, what should you write in here, Minan? Can you see the?
Monkey.
Okay. Do you know how to spell monkey?
Yes.
Okay, here.